रियो डी जानेरो में घूमते घूमते ये कुछ अद्भुत सी नई सी चीज देखने को मिली। दिस इज एक्चुअली अ काइनेटिक स्कल्पचर जो रियो में हुई 2016 की समर ओलंपिक का ओलंपिक कालरन या तो ओलंपिक मशाल रखने का पात्र है। दिस स्कल्पचर वाज designed by American artist Anthony Howick and it is located in the Olympic Boulevard in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil। ये देखो हवा के दबाव से, हवा के बहने से कैसे अपना शेप बदलता है, कैसे घूमता है। देखो ये बहुत अद्भुत लगता है, बहुत बढ़िया लगता है, देख लो। और अब हम चलते हैं रियो कार्निवल की बैक स्टेज टूर में और उसकी फैक्ट्री में जहाँ पर वो बड़े बड़े फ्लोट्स बनते हैं। चलिए।
Is a factory, sorry, is where they produce the floats and costumes, etc. So everything that happens in Carnival, we see only in Carnival. So till then, everything they're making is top secret. So at the first moment, we won't be able to film or take any picture. Later we will.
I'm Sol and I'm a video tourist guide. Okay?
हमको ऐसे आईडी कार्ड दिए गए जो हमको गले में पहनना है। फैक्ट्री में जाने से पहले हमने कुछ फोटोज ले लिए क्योंकि अंदर फोटोज अलाउड नहीं थे। फैक्ट्री बहुत बड़ी थी और अंदर कार्निवल के लिए फ्लोट्स बन गए। सेकंड फ्लोर पर गए तब फोटोग्राफी अलाउ थी। तो आइए देखते हैं सेकंड फ्लोर से आगे। कार्निवल इज अ ह्यूज थिंग इन रियो और इसकी तैयारी 1 साल चलती है। ये हमारी गाइड हमें उसका कैलेंडर दिखा रही है पूरे साल का। इट रिक्वायर्स मैसिव प्लानिंग एंड मैसिव टीम वर्क।
It's just for parade. It's 70 to 90 minutes maximum. Every year, the school's fighting to upgrade. So imagine, if my school lost, I need to move all this with other side, other place, because this place, remember, is free. Costume is a donation. So I pay for my costume, but when the parade finishes, I need to donate my costume. Alright, for continuing working with the next parade. And every section have 100 people parading for a hat, costume, and shoes. Alright, all these in this time, intense production in November. Alright, all this just for 70 to 90 minutes to parade. Bravo, bravo, bravo.
And here comes a very important question.
Who pays for this?
The prize for the champion?
Yeah.
Yes, the prize. So the first school won the 20% about the ticket sales.
Oh.
It's more money. Thinking this, the parade is in 4 days, right? Samba has capacitation for 50,000 spectators per night. And the cheapest ticket is $10. And the most expensive, 1,500. So it's more money. The second place, my school. Thank you. Thank you. I won the second place the last year. Won the 15%. And let's continue to the top 6. 20, 15, 10, and 10. Let's continue. One more thing. We have sponsors. Different sponsors. The first is the government. The government pay for every Samba school for the special group, 12 Samba school, 8 to 11 million reals.
More money.
More money. And then for the other 15, remember the other category? Pay 4 to 6 million reals. Alright? But actually, in Rio de Janeiro, we have 95 schools more. But these 95 or maybe 100 don't have this structure, Then we have the television.
Global.
Yes, global. And then, obviously, remember, it's a fest, it's the amazing show in Rio. So we have sponsors like a beer, Brahma School, And the most heavy costume is a Baiana costume. This is one. This one, the typical Baiana costume, too heavy. We need 70. Every Samba school needs 70 Baiana costumes. 70 dancers. And it's 65 years or more.
Oh.
And it's too heavy.
Yeah, but what is the weight of this costume?
How many kgs?
15 to 18 kilograms. So the Baiana costume move like this. Just this. No more step. That is the real head. Remember I said it's a unique size. So Who is first? All right. Careful.
Okay, next year Samba, you are in.
Wow. Here is our Samba king. After the dance, I am. Correct.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3. Smile. The costume having a relationship with this thematic. All right. For example, look the princesses. This have a parrot. Here, this have a jaguar. And the last have the snake here. This is a special costumes. Remember the musas and princesses?
What's your name?
Jamili.
Jamili.
Yes.
Beautiful name. You are working very hard. Jamili is carnival photographer. Beautiful work.
The next year is from 2022 when Grande Rio won the first place. Yay! Claps.
Larope Exu, fala Majeté, que Exu abra os nossos caminhos.
Everything in this scenic walkway, flowing and interconnected. Repiki, cuica, surdo, and tambourine. Joy, smiles, inner strength, and harmony. These are happy people in their tradition who sing and dance as they reinvent themselves in a ritual amid floats and costumes. This is a theatrical procession based on tradition, offering emotion and history in a monumental parade. It more resembles a dream. This is Carnival.
Are you ready for the first surprise?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Surprise is under these curtains. Yes. So, let's go. All right, we have simple rules, okay? You can't inside here, all right? In this side, the costume is more feminine. So, please, ladies, order, okay? And in this side, it's for a man. Marcio and Alexander help you, Anderson and Anna and Sergio, all right?
Ladies, make it line, please.
Let's go.
Ladies, make it line.
Man and woman.
Look at you.
अरे आपका निकाल रही हूँ मैं
ये छोटी इधर घूम जा आँख तो खोल बेटा हाँ ओब्रेगाडो
क्या बोली
ओब्रेगाडो थैंक यू क्या बात है स्वामी बढ़िया मैं भी आ गया आपके साथ मिरर में ऐसा लगता है जैसे परियों के देश में आ गए
Wait more.
Okay. Benito.
foto rodando no Rio Carnival.
Yeah, he is doing Bharatanatyam moves. Wow, good, very good. अच्छा दोस्तों, आज की मुलाकात बस इतनी। मिलते हैं फिर एक नए वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहे, खुश रहे, और आपने अब तक ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।